Hello viewers. A good number of people want to buy a tablet under the price bracket of 30,000 rupees. There are many options under 30,000 rupees, but if you wait for the right offer, you can get a very good tablet at an enticing price. Normally the price of Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus is around 40,000 rupees. But I will not recommend you to buy this tablet at 40,000 rupees. But during sale, if you get this tablet to buy under rupees 20,000 rupees, that will be a value for money product. On the other hand, iPad 10th generation sells at 34,900 rupees, which is on the higher side. But you can buy this device in Big Billion Days sale well under 25,000 rupees, and if you get this device under 25,000 rupees, it will be a great deal for you. Some users are asking me why I am not recommending OnePlus Pad 2. Look, the price of OnePlus Pad 2 is around 36,000 rupees after cashback, and you are buying a tablet, that is Tab S9 FE Plus, under 20,000 rupees during sale. So there is a huge gap in price between these two tablets. So naturally there is no comparison between these two tablets when it comes to price. But if you are ready to spend around 36,000 rupees, then I would suggest you to go for OnePlus Pad 2 if you want an Android tablet, because in OnePlus Pad 2 you will get great hardware and also flagship level processor, that is Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. Again, many users are confused between iPad 10th generation and Tab S9 FE Plus. At first, you have to select your priorities because you cannot get all the best things in a single tablet. I have made many videos and talked about the difference between these two tablets, yet many users want to know more about these two tablets. If you use these two tablets side by side, you can feel the difference. But if you use only one tablet at a time, probably you might not feel any difference. I have been using these two tablets for a couple of months and I have mixed results using these two tablets. Normally the display of Tab S9 FE Plus is excellent. It has HDR capability. It can play 4K HDR videos on YouTube. But when I compare it with iPad 10th generation side by side, I see that the display of iPad 10th generation is more vibrant. However, the saturation level is more on the Samsung tablet Tab S9 FE Plus. But overall, I have liked the display quality of iPad 10th generation. It might be a personal preference, but the aspect ratio of iPad 10th generation is 4:3. So a lot of videos will not support this aspect ratio, as a result of which there are black bars on the top and at the bottom. But in case of Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, as the display comes with a rectangular shape, that is 18 or 19:9, so 16:9 videos actually look very good, and you will get an immersive feeling while watching multimedia contents on Tab S9 FE Plus. Many users want to buy tablets for note taking. With Tab S9 FE Plus, you will get a S Pen free of cost inside the box, and note taking experience on this tablet is great. You can use Samsung Note app and many other apps that are excellent. Plus, it has many more features which will give you a very good feeling while taking notes on your tablet using the S Pen. You will not feel the latency issue, and also it doesn't need any charging, and the size of the S Pen is also very compact and user friendly. So altogether you will have a very good feeling while writing on the large 12.4 inches display of Tab S9 FE Plus. On the other hand, the writing experience of iPad 10th generation is also great, but you will not get iPencil free of cost inside the box. You have to spend around 7.5k to buy it, or you can buy a third party pencil by spending around 1.5k. I have bought King 1 pencil and I am having a great experience with this pencil because it supports everything. Even Scribble is supported with this pencil. I have made detailed video on note taking experience on both of the devices. So if you are interested to watch those videos, links are in the descriptions below. In iPad 10th generation, you will not get some features like hover your pen over any word to translate, but you can take screenshots and you can write or do whatever you want to do on the screenshot. I think note taking is better on Tab S9 FE Plus. However, there is not much difference between these two tablets in terms of note taking using the default Note app. Now, the most prominent difference between these two tablets is the processor. Whereas iPad 10th generation comes with A14 Bionic chipset, Tab S9 FE Plus comes with Exynos 1380 processor. In terms of processor, A14 is more powerful. So if you have a lot of editing tasks and if you do a lot of multitask, in that case A14 Bionic chipset will be ideal for you. But if you want to do casual editing and also you want to do casual multitasking, in that case you can buy Tab S9 FE Plus as it has only an average chipset. Now talking about the storage, Tab S9 FE Plus comes with 128 GB of internal storage with 8 GB RAM. Also, you can expand your storage up to 1 TB using micro SD card. But on the other side, iPad 10th generation has only 64 GB of internal storage, plus you cannot expand the storage through micro SD card slot. The low storage of iPad 10th generation may be a deal breaker for many users because in 2024 64 GB is not enough. The app on App Store is very large, so it will eat up your storage rapidly. However, you can use external SSD or pen drives through the USB port. You can save your videos, images and also PDFs in your pen drive, and also you can edit the PDFs when they are in the pen drive. The battery of Tab S9 FE Plus is 10,000 mAh. So you can expect an SOT of 10 hours plus on a single charge, and also the standby time of this tablet is very good. Plus it doesn't have any heating issue. On the other hand, iPad 10th generation comes with an inferior battery and you can expect an SOT of 6 hours plus. So in the battery department, actually Tab S9 FE Plus is better. Also, you can get charging support of 45 watt in Tab S9 FE Plus. On the other hand, iPad 10th generation can support up to 20 watt of charging, but the good thing is that the charger comes inside the box of iPad 10th generation. Now, in the conclusion, which tablet should you buy? I think the buying decision should be made on the price point. If you have a tight budget of 20,000 rupees, you should wait for the right offers during Big Billion Days sale, and you can buy Tab S9 FE Plus under ₹20,000 rupees. But if you can spend up around 25,000 rupees and you can adjust 64 GB internal storage, in that case iPad 10th generation is a very good option for you. If I had to choose between these two tablets, probably I would have chosen iPad 10th generation because of its portability, better processors, display and overall good software updates. So if you are interested to buy any of these tablets and want to get the best deal, you can subscribe the channel with the notification bell on so that you can get all the notifications whenever I post any video regarding offers. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.